In today's video, I'll show you how to create a Proforma invoice in Zoho Invoice quickly and professionally. Start by going to the Settings option in the top right corner of your Zoho Invoice dashboard. From the menu, click on PDF Templates under Customization. This is where you manage how all your documents look. Next, select quotes from the Templates pane. Here you can either create a new template by clicking the plus button or edit an existing one if you want to adapt it into a Proforma invoice. Once you're in the template editor, scroll down to Document Details. In the field under Show Document Title, type Proforma Invoice. This ensures the correct title appears on all your PDFs and emails, giving your documents a professional and consistent look. Finally, don't forget to click Save in the top right corner. Your Proforma invoice template is now ready to use for all new transactions, helping you maintain clarity and professionalism with your clients. And that's it. Quick, simple, and fully customized to your business needs. Thanks for watching and happy invoicing.